Look how nicely this door shuts. The sound and the feel is very satisfying. Now the driver's side door doesn't shut well at all, but we can fix it. Should be easy. Normally this problem is caused by a broken plastic tab on the bottom of the striker, but mine is in pretty good shape, so the problem lies elsewhere. Notice the top of the doors are not even with each other. When the door is shut firmly, the tops of the doors line up. 47 years of usage have caused this hinge pin to wear out. Look carefully and you can see the movement. I found this replacement hinge on eBay. I supported the door before replacing the hinge. Before securing the door completely, position the door such that there's a 5mm gap along all the seams. The job is much easier with the aid of an assistant. You know, I'm such a genius. Just look how nicely this door closes. Oh no, it's worse than ever. What went wrong? Perhaps I need to adjust the position of the striker. That should fix it. I found these Allen head bolts very difficult to remove. My screw extractor broke off inside the Allen head. As a last resort, I had to weld nuts onto the end of the Allen heads and use a wrench to unscrew them. Here's what the bolts look like when finally extracted. Since they're ruined, I had to order more on eBay. Now I'm ready to adjust the position of the striker. I'll use chalk to help me determine how to position the striker so it fits perfectly around the plunger. That scuff mark indicates I need to move the striker upward and backward. Placing tape over the striker hole can also give you a clue. See the little chalk mark? Behold, the door will now close perfectly. This is depressing. The door still isn't closing right. I'm beginning to hate this car. I decided to take a nap, and in a dream, a stone statue told me to check the plastic piece under the striker. This plastic tab looks okay, but the stone statues don't agree. Here's an aftermarket striker from which I'll harvest a little plastic tab. Here's the new tab. Let's give it a test. Finally, satisfaction replaces exasperation. Look how beautifully it closes.